Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another video. So today's video is super exciting. I will be reviewing another Janet Collection DIY kit. So this one is super easy. It comes with your bundles of hair, your lace frontal. It also comes with everything you need to make your wig DIY. This kit doesn't come with the foam head, but I did have a foam head from the last kit, so I went ahead and used that. This kit does come with the lace bond glue that is by Esha, and it's really great glue. It comes with the dome cap, it comes with needle and thread, comes with combs to put inside your wig, comes with duckbill clips and some perfume. It also comes with your T-pins to use to secure your wig onto your foam head. So I always protect my foam head with a plastic bag. Then I go ahead and lay down my dome cap. I use the T-pins to go ahead and hold that down. Now I decide to use sewing needles, sewing pins to go ahead and hold down my lace frontal because the T-pins do get stuck inside the lace. So I usually just use my regular sewing pins for that. Go ahead and attach your frontal to your wig head and then just tie it away using the duckbill clips that come in the kit. I went ahead and just sewed the frontal down. I didn't show that, I just did that off camera because you guys have seen me do that a million times. It's literally just sewing it to the cap. Then I went ahead and used the glue to go ahead and attach the bundles to the back of the head. So I just measure it out, cut the tracks, add the glue, and then just secure it to the cap. So I went ahead and did that all the way till I got to the top of the frontal, and then I went ahead and started working on the frontal. So this frontal definitely needed some work in terms of plucking, so I just parted out section by section and plucked my little heart away. It took me quite a while, I think about 40 minutes or so of plucking, maybe not 40, maybe 25 to 30 minutes of plucking. And then I went ahead and bleached the knots. I use my WigStensions lace tint spray, and I use it in golden, and this is how it came out. I blow dried that dry, and then I went ahead and used my Esha lace bond glue. I just put a thin layer on my forehead. I didn't go all the way down to my ears. I just put it on my forehead and on the sides. Went ahead and thinned it out with a rat tail comb. Took my head wrap off and applied my wig. If you're interested in grabbing a head wrap, they are available on my website, which is GLEEmade.com. They are, you can use the code DRAGONESS to save you some money at checkout. So I went ahead and just applied my frontal, used my rat tail comb again to just press it in. And then I laid my baby hairs using my favorite edge control at the moment, which is my Style Factor. Then I went ahead and used my GLEEmade baby hair scarf to lay it all down and set it in place. If you'd like to grab yourself a GLEEmade baby hair scarf, you can go ahead and do that at www.gleemade.com, and you will be able to get yourself a scarf for $8. Again, you can use the code DRAGONESS to save you some money at checkout. If you guys are loving this kit and this hair, I will definitely leave a code to link to where you can go ahead and grab this DIY kit so you can make yourself a wig at home. I really like it, so you guys can definitely check it out at the links below. So the frontal wasn't really laying down perfectly, so I went ahead and added my edge control all the way around the parting space, and I went ahead and used the back of my flat iron while it was still hot to just lay that area down. It also gives it a nice shine, which I really like. Then I went ahead and added some eyeshadow powder onto my parting space and along my hairline, just to give it a more natural look. And that's pretty much the end of this look, you guys. This hair is super cute, but I wasn't crazy about the length, so I went ahead and just chopped it into a long bob, and I was super happy with it. I just bumped the ends a little bit, and that's pretty much the finished look, you guys. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. Make sure you're liking, sharing, and subscribing to this YouTube channel. It super helps me out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Let's go have some fun.